Want a wholesome winter warmer to feed for? 5 simple steps. Let's go. Step 1, saute. Add olive oil, chopped shallots and ras el hanout into a large pan. Saute on a medium heat until the onions turn soft. 2, add and stir. Here comes a lot of adding and stirring, starting with garlic, apricots and tomato puree separately and stir between each. Then you can add carrots and sweet potatoes. Stir until they're well covered with the mix. Then add the lentils before stirring again. Stir in the vegetable stock. Add chopped coriander and chopped tomatoes and stir again. Season with salt and pepper. 3. Now to simmer. Cover and leave to simmer on a low heat for 45 to 60 minutes. 4. Next comes the spinach. When the potatoes are soft, add your spinach. Then cook for an extra 15 minutes. 5. Now you're ready to serve. Serve with couscous for extra Moroccan vibes. If this has inspired you to get cooking winter meals, head over to ao.com to check out our slow cookers and soup makers. We're getting all the winter food feels.